Hello, everybody. I am Tequila Jared, the $1,000,000 cleaning coach, and I'm in the business of teaching residential and commercial cleaning service owners how to increase their bottom line. My four core formula has proven to develop reliable teams, expand clientele, and create effective processes. When you are getting your leads, guys, especially for my commercial people, when you call those leads back or when you follow up with those leads and then you put them into your email marketing system, don't get discouraged because you're feeling like you don't have any traction, especially on my commercial side, because I want you guys to remember, and you've heard me say this 1,000 times, they're only going to be looking for you once every 12 to 24 months, if not longer. So you might call in February, but they just went under contract with somebody for 24 months in January. So that means that they're not going to be ready again for 22 months before they're going to start looking again. So that's why it's so important to put that follow-up system in place so that when you follow up with your leads, when you follow up with your prospects, if they're not ready right now, you always get their contact information, the phone number, so if you have a text message service that you're using, and their email, so that you can put them in your email sequence. Because why? Eventually they're going to be ready. And when they ready, who's been serving? You've been serving with these follow-up emails. You can put a schedule together on how you're going to send these emails out to make sure that you're staying what? Top of mind. Especially my commercial people. On the residential side, it's a little bit different, but my commercial, because of the way that they source their cleaners, it can literally be a year to 2 years, 3 years down the line before you get a call from that very first email that you sent. But guess what? Over the last 4 years, they've been receiving an email from you every 3 weeks, every month, giving them value, telling them the newest tools and processes that you're using, telling them about the successes of your company, telling them about companies that you're currently working for, sending them the reviews and the things that other businesses are saying about you. It's called nurturing. Just like you do a baby. When you have a baby, what that baby want to be? That baby want to be held. That baby want to be rubbed. And you're nurturing that child, because what? Eventually it's going to turn into an adult, right? So that's the same way you're doing your leads and your prospects. You're literally nurturing them, right? So qualifying your leads lets you know if they your ideal client, lets you know if they ready right now. And if they're not, you're going to nurture them. Only the ones that are not, let's say it's your ideal client, but they not ready right now. Let's say it's somebody that, because this happens all the time. People say, oh, babe, we need a cleaning service. I need help. I need a cleaning service. And he say, okay, well, call and get some quotes. So she called, get a couple companies to come out, do a walkthrough in the home. They give them a price, and then it's 3-4 months before they actually decide to get the service. But let's say you got company A and you got company B. At the end of that walkthrough, what did company A do? They sent them that email. It went right out immediately. Hey, thank you so much for allowing us to do the walkthrough. Please expect your quote within 12 hours or 24 hours. And then you send them that quote. You give them the option to go ahead and secure that service. If they don't get that service, then what? They not responding to your emails. You're going to constantly keep sending them the emails. Because why? You know that they want the service. They got the quote. They haven't told you that they weren't interested to stop emailing them. They haven't unsubscribed. So continue to email them, because guess what? You that company that's continuing to send that value in that 4th month, when they decide, okay, babe, look, we got to quit playing. I really need to get this cleaning service on board. They call you because what? You're going to be the first person that come to mind because you've been sending them this value. So the importance of the follow-up is huge, because we leave so much money on the table because you're not staying top of mind. You're not re-engaging. You're not building your know and trust.